AI Disruptor 1.0 Review. Unleash the power of AI Disruptor 1.0 76,000 plus in the last 30 days with 100% free buyer traffic. Harness the power of free buyer traffic combined with AI to rake in the profits, faster and easier than ever before. And you can do this with $0 out of pocket. And from anywhere in the world. That's what this exciting new era of AI Disruptor 1.0 can do for you. The one problem for entrepreneurs. The number one problem for most entrepreneurs is simple. And you already know what it is. The number one problem is getting buyer traffic. If you could get enough eyeballs on your product or service of people that can and are willing to pay, you can dominate, right? But it's not just about getting any random eyeballs. Ideally, you want buyer traffic, people who are eager and ready to buy and buy right now. But how do you get traffic and get traffic cheap enough that you can make a profit on your ad spend? Then fulfill it without spending a ton of time? What if you could tap into 90 million people, and not just 90 million people, but 90 million buyers, people who are eagerly wanting to buy from you right now for free? We all know that AI is at least 10 times bigger than the internet, and we know that many have made millions with the internet. Imagine how much you can make with AI if done correctly. The exponential potential of AI to make you massive amounts of money is truly mind-blowing. We've been digging deep into this amazing new world of AI. We've reviewed tons of amazing AI tools, software, and ideas for our AI channel, and we've stumbled upon something quite extraordinary. There are lots of people who are silently making hundreds of thousands a year right now with AI. Some of these underground entrepreneurs discovered these new ways to profit and are quietly making tens of thousands and even hundreds of thousands a year. This is a crazy simple three-step system. Step 1. Use a site that has massive buyer traffic. You're accessing close to 100 million visitors a month that are buyers. Step 2. Quickly find the best-selling offers. We show you exactly how to do this and how to find what's bringing in crazy money. Step 3. You give customers what they want in minutes because you're using AI, and you get paid faster and easier than ever before. Since you're now tapping into massive buyer traffic, people hungry for these services, all you do is put your bucket out there, your product or service, and capture all the money that is flowing through. You are ethically profiting from all this free traffic and getting paid big time. Are you ready to disrupt the world of making money online with AI Disruptor 1.0? Today, we have something truly earth-shaking to share with you. We're talking about earning thousands of dollars a week, and even more, by leveraging the strategy we show you in the AI Disruptor system. And we also show you how you can easily scale this business far quicker than any traditional business, all because of AI. AI Disruptor 1.0 is the rocket fuel and the turbocharger. AI is the force multiplier that makes everything so much easier, so much better, and so much faster. This means a lot more money for you, and a lot faster.